Imagine feeling completely secure within your own home, knowing that certain spaces are truly yours, free from unwanted intrusion. How does the law determine which of these private moments and spaces are truly protected? The expectation of privacy plays a fundamental and absolutely central role in the Fourth Amendment. It is essentially the gatekeeper, determining when the constitutional protection against unreasonable searches and seizures even applies. This concept became paramount with the landmark Supreme Court case of Katz versus United States in 1967. Before Katz, Fourth Amendment protection primarily hinged on whether there was a physical intrusion into a constitutionally protected area like your home. However, the Katz decision shifted this focus. The court established what is now known as the two-pronged reasonable expectation of privacy test. This test asks two key questions. First, did the individual exhibit an actual subjective expectation of privacy? This means, did you personally believe that what you were doing or where you were was private? Second, is that expectation one that society is prepared to recognize as reasonable or legitimate? This second, objective prong is crucial, as it filters out expectations that, while personal, are not considered justifiable by societal norms or legal precedent. If both prongs are met, then the Fourth Amendment protections are triggered, meaning any search or seizure must be conducted with a warrant or fall under a recognized exception to the warrant requirement. In practice, this means that while you generally have a reasonable expectation of privacy in your home, your personal belongings, and private conversations, that expectation diminishes or may not exist at all in truly public places, or when you voluntarily expose information to the public. For instance, you would likely have a reasonable expectation of privacy in the contents of your sealed mail, but not in a conversation you are having loudly on a public street corner. The scope of this expectation is constantly evolving, especially with new technologies. Understanding the difference between what you subjectively wish to keep private and what society objectively deems reasonable to keep private is key to comprehending your Fourth Amendment rights. This distinction, often debated and refined in court cases, ensures that while the government can perform its duties, it does so with respect for the privacy our society values. Ultimately, the expectation of privacy is the essential legal threshold for activating Fourth Amendment safeguards. It is the core principle that defines the boundaries of government power in seeking information about individuals, ensuring that our personal lives and spaces are protected unless proper legal justification is established. This framework helps maintain a crucial balance between public safety and individual liberty.